Hi kings and queens, and welcome back to fancysbomb.com moments. On my channel, I do fashion, lifestyle, makeup tutorials, and DIYs. I do apologize that this video is late, but I was thinking that maybe you can do this for next Thanksgiving. This year Dollar Tree was sold out on a lot of things, and you can purchase these wood pieces throughout the year except the window cling. So the first thing is we are going to set the table. I bought this from the Dollar Tree. It is just a platter or a tray. This one is really cute and it matches my decor, and that's why I got it. And the next thing what we are going to do is I got these charger plates also from the Dollar Tree. They're the color gold, and what I'm gonna do is I am just going to set it on my table here. I always set for a table of 4, just due to the fact that I have 4 chairs at my dining table. And I always straighten everything to make sure that it's centered. And then the next thing what we are going to do is set out these plates. They're the color orange. Also bought these from the Dollar Tree, you guys. Then the next thing we are going to move on is these plates. It just says grateful on there. These ones are really cute. I also bought these from the Dollar Tree. The reason why I got them was because they match my decor, and they are like a dessert plate, so you can use it. Don't you guys love my Bart Simpson shirt? It just says whatever. And then the next thing is these glasses. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They are also from the Dollar Tree. They just go really well with my decor, and it goes well with the plate setting. And of course, I have to rearrange everything to make sure that it's centered and it looks nice. And then the next thing we are going to do is I got these cups also from the Dollar Tree. It just says gather and it has 2 pumpkins on there and it's really cute. And this is a place setting up close and personal. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to use this window cling from the Dollar Tree to get a few signs at your table for Thanksgiving. So this is the sign that the window clings that I got, and this one was only $1. And then what I did was I looked around and I found some of these things that we could use for the background so that it will stand up. So the first thing is I got these what are they called? They're just pieces of wood. This one is 12 inches. I got 3 of these so that I can glue them together to make a bigger sign. I also got 2 of these. I am going to glue these 2 together also. And this one I am going to paint the outer side, but the inner side we're going to use paper, and we're going to pop him out, but save the back because we're going to use the back of him to do our box. And the color that I'm using today is pumpkin and Waverly chalk paint. So let's get started. These have dried. I only use 1 coat of paint because it just seems like it did the job, and the camera's not picking up, but these are kind of like orangey with a black background. It looks really pretty. So the 3 slacks, I am gonna use this Happy Thanksgiving sign for that. So it doesn't stick on it, but I'm gonna use some Mod Podge for it to stay. And then for this one, I just chose the Be Thankful, and then I'll just add a little design so that it looks like it pops out. And then I also painted this, but then we're gonna use a different background on this. I just wanted the frame orange, and I think I'm gonna use white for the background. I'm not really sure yet, but we'll see. And I'm not really sure which one I want to use. Should I use it's turkey time? I don't really eat turkey, so maybe not. I'm not really sure. Or I should say get stuff and put this by the dessert table. Not really sure. Or the give thanks. But this one over here says be thankful already, so maybe not. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And remember the little flax that was here that we took out? I'm gonna use the back thing that he has for it so that this sign will actually stick out of the box a little bit, and then that's the whole project. I bought this gather sign from the Dollar Tree. Sorry, I don't have the scan code for you guys. But what I'm going to do is I am going to paint this a pumpkin color. And then I'm just going to use my some of my paint to like do some decorations on there. And this is the final results. I am so glad that it turned out so freaking cute, you guys. I'm really hoping that you guys will create these for your table decor. So the first thing is you want to turn on the oven because we're going to use it. I'm just going to do 350 degrees and press start. And then I always turn on the oven light. And I also check if there's anything in there because sometimes I do put stuff in there just for storage. And then what I do is I start a pot of water. I added some salt just for my potatoes. And then I'm cooking these 2 russet potatoes. And then I just cut them into pieces so that we can make it easier and faster. These asparagus are going to be oven roasted. I got this lamb rack from Sam's Club for $32.43. I am just going to cut it and then trim the fat off. What you'll need is garlic, you'll need some thyme, and some rosemary. Let me fix it here. And then you're going to need some salt, some black pepper, I just cut these lamb chops into pieces like this and then throw on some salt and black pepper. In your skillet, throw in some hot oil, put in your lamb chops, some of your garlic, your thyme, and your rosemary, and then just let that cook for a little bit, and then throw in your butter. And then you're going to use your butter to cook on the other side, like so. The last thing you are going to be doing is mashing your mashed potatoes. So in here I have 2 teaspoons of butter, and I just threw my 2 mashed potatoes in there. I mean potatoes, not mashed potatoes yet. And then I'm just gonna do a big scoop of cream cheese. I let this out so it's kind of softened already. And then make sure you add some salt in there so that it's extra nice and salty. And then some onion powder. And then some Corel seasoning. And last but not least, some ranch seasoning. I love this thing in my mashed potato because it just tastes so good. And there you guys go. This is the final product. This is what we had for our Thanksgiving meal. It was so good. I can tell you that the lamb chop was really soft and tender. y'all, of course, we have to have the pumpkin pie. I made this pumpkin pie 2 days ago and it is so good. I ate it all by myself. As always, I do really appreciate you guys coming back to see what's new with me. Please subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I would really like to reach 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so spread the words to your friends to add me. Next week we are going to be creating Disney, Mickey, and Minnie Mouse DIYs. Don't miss out. Peace out, kings and queens.